Wait. What's it called again? Oh, now I know. Thanks for the car, Aunt Michelle. I love it so much. Whoever got it, I have to thank you. Bye.
Well, open it. Okay. Wow. What is that? Get it.
That's a scary one.
Do you know what that says?
Toys R Us. That's what it says. Toys R Us. She gave me a card! A Toys R Us credit card.
Wow. What are you going to buy with that?
Toy.
Mario 3D Land?
Oh!
All right. Throw a kiss.